Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. Just came in a brand new 2020 Desert Fox. Model number is a 24AS. Built from Northwood is the manufacturer. Built out of La Grande, Oregon. Come on in here. So this is the Arctic Fox toy hauler, basically is what they are. So same company, like I said, built Nash's, Northwood. So this is the 24. So you got a double bed in the back. The lower ones make into a couch. You got couches that sit across from you. These have covers for the windows, and this drops down, but it goes up high, you know, to fit your razor in here. And actually, there's two little pins here on this side, so this drops down against, it folds down against the side, so if you need the extra height, you got cleared up to there. So ventilation for the back. This has a carpet kit that rolls up. Chairs, you know, you got some rocker chairs that are, you know, they're removed down, set anywhere. The tables that you can post anywhere. That also makes into a bed, folds up against the wall. This has a fantastic fan right there. That's one that pulls air both directions. You got nice tinted windows, day and night shades. You got speaker system, subwoofer. You got your stereos in there. Nice above us, you got LED lights, you got storage for the helmets and boots or whatnot up there. This has got the stainless package with the microwave, the fan hood. You got big 3-burner, the new Furrion with the glass oven door. Pretty good counter space, you know, so that over the sink you got stainless steel there, but a little bit of counter space. Like I said, small toy hauler. So if you're guy trying to not get too big, storage there above us, air conditioning on the roof. Here's your control panel here for your lights and all your water heater, your awning, your generator. So this has a generator built in for a small toy hauler. This has a built-in generator, which a lot of them don't. So you got your fuel station. This actually has a solar already on the roof, little 10-amp trickle charger. So you got your Norcold refrigerator, freezer right here. Then back here you got the separate sink with cabinet on the side there, with your big bathroom, bathtub, shower right there, porcelain toilet, lots of room if you're a tall guy, you know, so this model. And then in here you got the corner bed. You can get around each corner, so you got a nice big bed, storage on the side, storage there above us, lots of storage everywhere. You got lights in here, LEDs, another fantastic fan. It's got a little close off the door here for the bedroom if you want. But a lot of guys, like I said, they like this model because you got a lot of room to fit a razor in here for a small unit, which is kind of a big thing nowadays. It's got the new step going out, the new heavy duty step that folds up into the unit. You got electric awning with LEDs, so these are true 4-season. So true 4-season, like I said, so underbelly's enclosed under there. In the back, you got the glass that's got the tinted on it. The back, you've got the nice big door, lockable doors that fold down to the ramp. Look at the hinges on this, really well built. You can put an awning off the back if you want. It's got LEDs. Here's your fuel station here. So for your toys and your generator, you got a side ladder that gets up on the roof. You got a light on the outside there. Here's all your water, sewer, cable hookups right there. Outdoor shower. A little bit of storage in there. There's your generator right there, a little 4,000 watt Onan. You got a power tongue jack. You got big tanks on it. They hold a lot of water. So if you're looking for a good toy hauler that's about as good as they build, they make, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.